Don't you know?
Don't you know you drive me crazy? Don't you know you drive?
Don't you know?
Don't you know you drive me crazy?
I've been trying to figure out about you. I've been trying to figure out about me.
Yeah.
Cause when the lights off and I feel like the only one.
Yeah.
Lights off and I feel like the only one.
Yeah.
Turn them on. Like I do.
It's not a basket of gold at the end of a rainbow. It's fragile, so be careful. Dive, swim deeper, sink to you.
Hi, I'm Tyler. I just performed at Dropout Sound Presents. I had a great time. It was a nice, chilled vibe. You know, it made me more comfortable to perform. And yeah, I had a great time.
I can get used to you.
Get you like crown if you wanna make it work. Stand down my friends, I'm planning bigger things. I'ma treat you like a king if you wanna make it work. Baby, we can make this work, but you gotta tell me. You gotta tell me. Are you done?
Just come off stage doing my set at Dropout Sound Presents. The audience were really amazing. Big up Tyler, big up Jackie D, they did a really good job, and Suli breaks. The whole atmosphere was really cool. It's like you've got the bar and all the chairs and the candles and stuff. It's kind of like quite an intimate performance.
Be the Queen's Way, so may I call you Victoria? We can live in a house with a green park on a good street, but you can leave the window wide open, cause the sun shines so bright that you can feel the whole burn. And you know you in my life is essential, right? And I'm not saying this from the bottom of my heart, but it's more like the center. So it may not be the bottom line, but it's more like a central line. You got that in you.
When the lights off and I feel like you're the only one.
Well, I've got a fire inside of my soul. I won't be alive when my hate is gone, and I'll burn hot in a mountain of gold.
Jackie D. Williams just come off stage from Dropout UK Sound Presents. Had a wicked time. Everyone was so sound, everyone was quiet, patient with new material. Had a fantastic time. Hope I get invited back soon. Make sure you come down every other Thursday of the month. It's here at Park Plaza Hotel in Westminster. Keep waiting for it.
Understand we ain't gotta close this chapter, no.